How to connect Steam accounts to Twitch. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can connect Steam accounts to Twitch. So how do you go about it? It's very simple. The first step is for you to log in into your Twitch account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen and then click on your profile icon. Then the drop down menu that appears, scroll down and click on settings. On the settings page, you see some tabs such as profile, prime gaming, channel and videos, security and privacy, notifications, connections. So ensure you click on connections. Once you're on the connection page, you can see the option Steam, right? And then you can see connect. So click on connect and a mini box will be displayed on the screen, which will ask you to sign in to your Steam account. So if you don't have an account, you can create an account, and after creating an account, your Steam account would be connected automatically to your Twitch account. Or if you have an account already, you'll be asked to sign in. So enter in your account name, enter in the password, click on sign in, and then once you're signed in, your Steam account would be connected automatically to your Twitch account. So this is it. This is how you can connect your Steam account to your Twitch account. Thank you for watching and have a good day.